What's the meaning of camiknickers? Camiknickers. Camiknickers.
Camiknickers. Camiknickers. Camiknickers is not a commonly used term in modern English, but historically it referred to a type of women's undergarment that combined a camisole top with knee-length knickers. The camisole top resembled a sleeveless slip and the knickers were loose-fitting shorts that reached to just above the knee. Camiknickers were popular in the early 20th century as an alternative to the restrictive corsets and petticoats of the time. They provided greater freedom of movement and comfort for women. Today, this term has largely fallen into disuse and is not commonly used to describe any type of garment.